Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. GBP USD Forecast Focus now shifts to the resumption of Brexit talks analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID F78F378172029 27:12 am GBP USD seesawed between tepid gains, minor losses on the first day of a new trading week. The U.S. fiscal stimulus impasse continued, undermining the USD and extended some support. Bulls now seemed reluctant ahead of the next round of the Brexit talks, starting on August 18. The GBP USD pair failed to capitalize on its intraday positive move and retreated around 40 pips from the early European session highs to the 1.3120 area. The political deadlock over the next round of the U.S. fiscal stimulus measures, along with a weaker tone surrounding the U.S. Treasury bond yields, kept the U.S. dollar bulls on the defensive. This comes amid the latest optimism over a potential vaccine for the highly contagious coronavirus diseases, which remained supportive of the upbeat market mood and further dented the greenback's relative safe haven status. This, in turn, was seen as one of the key factors that provided a modest lift to the major during the first half of the trading action on Monday. Despite the supporting factor, bulls refrained from placing aggressive bets, instead preferred to wait on the sidelines ahead of the upcoming Brexit talks on the future UK-EU relationship. Bilateral trade negotiations are set to resume in Brussels on August 18. It is worth recalling that Britain's chief negotiator David Frost said last Thursday that a Brexit agreement can be reached in September. The comments suggested that the two sides remain committed to reaching a deal. In the absence of any relevant market-moving economic releases from the UK, improving sentiment on Brexit trade talks should continue to extend some support to the British pound and help limit any meaningful slide for the pair. The global risk sentiment remained well supported by the optimism over a potential vaccine for the highly contagious coronavirus disease. Adding to this, the postponement of the US-China trade deal review further boosted investors' confidence on the first day of a new trading week. The meeting was originally scheduled for Saturday, and the delay leaves the Phase 1 deal intact, at least for now. The pair now seems to have stabilized near the 1.3100 mark as market participants now look forward to Monday's U.S. economic docket A, featuring the release of the Empire State Manufacturing Index A for some impetus. The key focus, however, will remain on the incoming Brexit-related headlines and the latest FOMC meeting minutes, scheduled for release on Wednesday. The key events will play a key role in influencing the momentum and assist traders to determine the pair's next leg of a directional move. Technical levels to watch: from a technical perspective, bulls are likely to wait for a sustained move beyond the recent daily closing high resistance near the 1.3140 region before positioning for any further gains. The pair might then aim to surpass monthly swing highs, around the 1.3185 region, and reclaim the 1.3200 mark. NBSP some follow-through buying will set the stage for the resumption of the pair's recent strong bullish momentum witnessed over the past 1-2 month or so. On the flip side, any meaningful pullback might continue to attract some dip buying and remain limited near the 1.3035 region. This is followed by support near the key 1.3000 psychological mark and the 1.2980 region, which if broken decisively will negate the bullish outlook. The pullback could then accelerate towards the 1.2900 mark before the pair eventually drops to the next major support near the 1.281510 region. The latter marks the previous swing high resistance breakpoint and should act as a key pivotal point for short-term traders. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.